It's not always easy to find solid prospects, and it's even more challenging to reach those prospects before your competitors do. So, how do you better pre-qualify tenants who are moving or expanding or just simply need your services? Welcome to CoStar Tenant, the inside track on tenants in play in your market that help you close more deals. You know they're out there, but the secret to finding them is working smarter, not harder. CoStar Tenant is a powerful tool for brokers, owners, and property managers to source new business. It also serves product and service vendors like movers, furniture and equipment rental companies, and others who draw business from commercial tenants. CoStar Tenant exposes you to the most comprehensive tenant information available, researched and verified. Our strength becomes your competitive edge. Nearly 800 skilled CoStar researchers all across the country, the largest in the industry, collect and verify tenant information using a multi-tiered research process. They make 10,000 calls per day to brokers, owners, and tenants. They spend countless hours online reviewing SEC and other public filings, U.S. Postal Service records, and industry news, not to mention downloads from partners like Dun & Bradstreet. They even canvass buildings in your market, all so you don't have to. CoStar Tenant is ideal for brokers because it delivers a qualified list of businesses looking for a new address. Or, if you're a product or service vendor, you'll have powerful search features and tools at your disposal to generate new business leads.